we'll be learning about basic English greetings and how to start conversations in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to your education station. I'm Miss Nadia, and I'm thrilled to be your English teacher. Today, we'll be learning about basic English greetings and how to start conversations in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with some common greetings. Please repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Great job. Remember to practice these greetings every day. And here's a quick tip. Hi and hello are informal, so we tend to use these with family and friends and in informal settings. Now, let's learn how to respond to these greetings. When someone says hello or hi, you can simply say hello or hi back. If someone says good morning, you reply with good morning. The same goes for good evening and good afternoon. Easy, right? Now let's practice a bit. Imagine you meet a friend in the morning. You can say good morning and your friend will respond with good morning. Now try it out loud. Respond to my greetings. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Hi. Fantastic job, everyone. You've mastered some basic English greetings and responses. Practice with your friends and family to become even more confident. In the next video, we'll cover introductions and how to talk about yourself. Stay tuned and remember, learning English is fun and rewarding. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you'd like to keep learning English with your education station. Bye.